just chilling with my peeps and playing with them like they're a teeny tiny puppy. Also, eating my peeps. Also, I was thinking literally chilling with my peeps. My peeps are in there. Just try to squeeze. This thing doesn't close up. I also need to send some emails, so watch me go. Look how fast I can type. Taking care of business. Let's check and see if there's been any crows eating our seeds. Nope, doesn't look like it. Well, that's a bummer. Well, I'll just wait, see if they come. Day 2, and one sleep later, here comes a chipmunk. We've got a new setup, and this little guy's super cute. He's just nibbling away at some birdseed. But let's fast forward up to where it gets interesting. Gets a little scared of this bird that just flew in, and he is a beauty. He's eating that birdseed like a champ. And then this chipmunk comes back and scares him away. That chipmunk is mean. Oh, that was cool. They're fighting over the birdseed.